My name is Mark Boehm. I'm the inventor of what's called an XFR fast ratchet. So today we're going to be talking about hand ratchets. We're going to be talking about some of the designs and ratchets that are out here today, and then we're going to introduce a new hand ratchet called the XFR. So this is your typical 3/8 drive hand ratchet. You can see we've got a push button here in the center. We put a socket on, put whatever. Instead of just pulling, you have to push this and then it pops off. We also got our switch. This is off, this is on, so that when we put on, we put our, and now we're going on, and now we flip the switch and now we go off. Now like you say, that was a gear wrench. Now this is a snap-on, and I've been in the automotive industry for over 35 plus years. This is my go-to. I like snap-on. Their quality it far exceeds everybody else. That's why I have 99% of my tools are snap-on. But this is their flex head, FL80. It's a great ratchet. It's a $220 ratchet. Same thing. There's no button to push. We just have a ball with a spring that you pull it on, push it off, and there you have that. But we still have to go on and off. So if I'm in a situation where I'm down, I've got to reach down and either try to push this off or get something like so and try to move this over if I want to go the other direction. If I've got traffic in the area where I'm working, so to speak. But it's a great ratchet. It's got its purpose. But today we're going to really highlight what's called the XFR. This is a ratchet design that I came up with. And you'll see, first off, they're smooth. There's no flip. There's no button to push. There's no nothing. It's smooth on both sides. The handle, you'll see on the end, it's got a square drive, a 3/8 square drive. So all you guys out there that have been doing this for a living like me know that how frustrating it is when you need a little bit of extra leverage. You got to try to find a pipe, get a boxed end wrench. Now you don't have to. You take your extension that you've already got. I don't care, 6, 12, whatever you want to snap on. Whenever you need leverage, break the bolt nut free. You're done. Now you go. This ratchet is designed to work this really shines on like a serpentine belt tensioner. If we got it down here, we don't know which way to go. We put our 3/8 in, and or we put our 1/2 inch adapter onto here if it's a 1/2 inch, and we put it down there. Real world, we're like this. Right now, we would be tightening. We'd be going this way. But guess what? If we find out we're down there and we're going the wrong direction with this ratchet, it's a bidirectional force on the top, and all I do is grab the top of the ratchet handle and I move it, and now I'm instantly going that direction. Okay? And all I do again is click it again this way, and I'm going to our right. I'm going clockwise. So it's a bidirectional force on the end of the handle that moves the head. This is a fulcruming handle. There is a on-off switch inside here that holds this handle so it doesn't go either way. You have to click it on and off, and you can hear the audible click. That's what happens on the inside. It's that simple, that easy, and it works really good. So we're going to be showing this real world here on a small engine motor. We're going to take some bolts off, some nuts off, and show you just how much easier it is to use this and the functionality of it. Alright, so we're going to continue on with the demonstration here. The first ratchet that we showed was gear wrench buttons. We're going to just throw a 10 mil on here. We're just going to pull the valve cover off. Okay, so I already switched it to off, and now we're going to go to the back one and we're going to take it off. Okay, so that's all we're going to do. I'm just going to show you, we're going to take one off with this one, and we've got that bolt off. We're going to snap it out, lay him aside. Then we're going to grab the snap-on. We're going to switch him to off, and we're going to do the same. You can already hear the snap-on ratchet. You hear the finer the teeth, the more you can hear the click. It's just a smoother click, and that's what we got going. That's why. And then the flex head, it's nice because I can do this, where I can't with just a straight on. Next, I'm going to grab the XFR. We're going to snap this on. We're going to make sure right now it's in the off position. It'd be taken off. We just changed. Now we're going to go, this would be to on. Now when I want to go to off, I just like I just did the handle, I'll go back just so you can see what I'm doing here with. You gotta watch this hand. It's kind of like a magician's trick. So watch this hand, what it does. And now we're going off, and now I'm going on. You can see it because I'm turning the whole motor. Now we're going to go off. Watch the hand. I'll do it a few times just so everybody sees, but you hear the click. Now we're off. and you can see the bolt's loose again. Now we're going to put it back on, and now I'm tightening again. Right now, all I'm going to do, I'm just showing you guys just so you can really see. There's no tricks, there's nothing weird going on here. This is just straight up, this is how it works. Okay, I'm holding right now, just applying torque. Now I'm going to change direction. I can leave this hand here and hold it into place while I change direction. And now we're loosening. And so you believe what I'm saying, because you can't see because my left hand's in the way. There, the bolt is out. Okay. So no, it's not a magic trick, but it feels like it. I mean, I've been doing this for 35 years. I'm going to tell you what. Once you use this, the flex head will be something I believe that we'll probably be coming out with. But right now, it's just a straight handle, and that's how this thing works. It's really simple. It's kind of like a bait casting reel. I fish a lot. Once you learn how to use them, you love them. You won't want anything else. Once you get one of these, I believe anybody who's done this for a living like I have, you'll fall in love with it like I did. So that's the XFR, and you know, hope to see it soon in stores. And everybody out there, if there's any feedback, please give it.